Today I will to show you how to change the shoes to a leather color in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. Open the layer panel. Click and drag to duplicate the layer. Then go to the toolbar and select the Object Selection tool. Select the Add to Selection. Then select the Lasso mode. And click and draw to select the blue color of the shoes you want to change to a leather color. OK, when it's selected, click here to add a mask on the layer. It's only the blue. Select the layer, then click on Adjustments, and add a hue saturation layer. Click here to clip to layer. Then drag the hue slider to left. And adjust the saturation and the lightness. Come back to layer panel. And this is the result. Hope you liked it. Please follow me on social media for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.